What's going on, guys? Ryan with Mike Thompson's RV in Colton. Today, we're very excited to showcase the #1 fifth wheel in North America at the #1 fifth wheel dealer in the state of California. This is the 2025 Grand Design Reflection 337 RLS. Let's get into it. So first things first, you've got a massive pass-through storage bay. You also have a heat duct that goes into your storage bay here, so all of your knickknacks are gonna be nice and comfortable. Look at all this room. I'm about 5'10". I've got plenty of room to lay or move around. You guys are gonna have more than enough room to put bikes, kayaks, surfboards, whatever you guys want. So you've got two full-size awnings going almost the entire length of the coach with beautiful LED strips. When you guys are hanging out outside, it's gonna keep the campground nice and illuminated for you guys. And before we step on the inside, we've got a few other features here. It's got an upgraded MORryde 3000 suspension system, as well as ABS brakes. Not standard on a lot of your fifth wheels, but of course Grand Design's gonna take care of you. You notice we've got some beautiful solid steps. Coach isn't gonna be shaking, moving around on you while you guys are going to step inside. Stepping into the interior of the coach, you'll notice this is the most popular couples floor plan, regardless of the brand you're looking at. 2 recliners, back sofa, living area, beautiful island kitchen in the center here, but there are a few features that Grand Design does that not a lot of other manufacturers do. On all of your windows here, you're gonna have full blackout shades here, and also some cross breeze here, so you can let some wind throughout the coach, but notice you've got massive windows on your campsite here, so you guys can keep an eye on the kids or creep on your next door neighbor if you like to. You also got a beautiful full-size trifold sofa here, okay? And it's very easy to work. And you're set up for sleeping in 10 seconds maybe, and it folds away just as easy. So for you guys that are camping with guests and don't want to disturb them in the morning, you still got room to walk around in your kitchen, make coffee, make breakfast, without waking up the folks that are sleeping in the back of your coach. Beautiful overhead cabinetry here, and this goes all the way through. So if you guys are stuffing things through the side there, you guys have got a little bit more length. They're not just individual storage spaces here. You've got a massive drawer for all of your remotes. 500 square foot graded fireplace. Now this does double as a space heater. It's not just for the ambient light or mood lighting, as I like to call it. It's actually gonna heat your coach. So for those of you that wanna conserve on your propane, don't necessarily wanna go off of gas all the time to heat the coach, this is gonna keep you guys more than comfortable. Comes standard with a Roku TV, so you're gonna have all of your streaming services, Hulu, Netflix, HBO, whatever you want on your streaming services. So as long as you've got internet at the campground or going off the hotspot of your phone, you guys are gonna be able to watch whatever you like to. We've got a massive pantry here. Now keep in mind, guys, this is a full-time graded coach, so meaning Grand Design's taking care of you from the factory. They're not gonna void any warranties if they find out you're living in it full time, unlike a lot of my other competitors down the street. So this coach is made to be used 24/7, 365, and you are gonna be covered from the factory. That's why you'll notice you've got some nicer fits and finishes. Quality is gonna be a lot higher than some of the other things out there on the market. Okay, 3-burner stove, big oven in here. Right, you take a couple of those sheets out, you can put a whole turkey in there if you'd like to, and a residential size microwave here. This is a 16 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator, so it is strictly off of your battery power. Of course, Grand Design threw a solar panel up on the roof for you, so your batteries aren't gonna die. If you're just using the coach and the fridge with your batteries, it'll probably stay cold for a couple weeks at a time. That's a question I get more than anything else. You've got 110 outlets, lights. This is a perfect spot for a coffee bar, whatever you guys want to set up. Maybe you've got a margarita machine. You've got enough power on both sides to do whatever you guys would like to. And of course, you've got additional storage here. This coach is Wi-Fi ready. All you got to do is purchase a subscription and you guys will have internet anywhere you guys travel. This is the Compass Connect system from Grand Design. That means you can control all of your lights, slides, awnings, AC, leveling, all of that just from the comfort of your phone. So you download the app, scan the QR code, and you guys can do all of that. Full-size bathroom. It's a one-piece shower, so you're not gonna get any cracks, leaks, damage to the bottom of it. It's actually graded to hold about 500 pounds in that shower. So for my heavier folks, you guys are gonna be more than comfortable and not have to worry about damaging anything in there. You've got a beautiful skylight with a fan and additional ambient lighting. So the bathroom is gonna be nice and lit up for you. You got a porcelain toilet, and there is an individual heat duct going directly into the bathroom. So you guys aren't gonna be freezing cold if you're out camping in the mountains. Flick the heater on and you've got damn near heated floor in this coach. Now the crown jewel of this coach is this massive bedroom. You've got a king bed on a full slide there. It is a 3-foot slide. So it gives you a ridiculous amount of walk around space. Of course, you're gonna have storage underneath the bed, plenty of room for a couple dead bodies. You've got lights, USB plugs, 110 outlets. So for you guys that use CPAP machines, you're not gonna keel over in the middle of the night. And of course, you've got a individually ducted AC into the bedroom as well. So for you guys who are hot sleepers, you can run your AC in the living room, force the air through these ducts here, and then dump the air in the center here, and you guys are getting full utilization of both air conditioners. A lot of other manufacturers in the industry aren't ducting your AC, they're just doing a direct dump. Now, yes, do you get more direct airflow? Sure, but when you're not in there, that kind of negates the use for 2 ACs, in my opinion. You've got a massive wardrobe here. So a little bit different front cap that you guys saw on the outside. They extended that out just to give you guys a little bit more hanging space in here. You've got a full bar that goes across the entire length of the wardrobe there. Some spots for shirts, towels, shoes, whatever you guys would like. And of course, in your closet here, you're gonna have washer dryer prep or more storage for those of you who guys aren't using a washer dryer setup. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Again, this is the brand new 2025 Grand Design Reflection 337 RLS. If you've got any questions about this floor plan or anything else you see on my website, come out to Colton and ask for Ryan. Thanks.